Hello friends, welcome back to Friend of Health. So today in this video I am trying to review one book which will be very helpful for the preparation of competitive exams in homeopathy, especially the PSC exams. So this book contains a lot of PSC exam question papers with solved explanations which are from the authentic books, not from any Wikipedia or Google references, but directly from the books in the syllabus. The books which are prescribed by the Central Council of Homeopathy for the BHMS syllabus, that books are referred and explained. Each and every questions are explained. The best part of this book is the authentic references are already a study material, not only just question answer explanation, but these are very nicely written or tabulated or arranged in such a way that you can revise them like a study material. So these question papers of various different states PSC exams will be helpful for knowing about the pattern of PSC exams, and also it will help in the improving your rank by answering all the basic repeated questions. For example, the homeopathy subjects, most of the questions will be repeated from previous question papers. And also not only for PSC exam preparation, this book will help you for AIA PGT, the PG entrance preparation, and also UPSC medical officer or research officer exam. And also as some question papers contain research methodology question papers, like Gujarat PSC question papers are having the research methodology questions, that will help in the CCRH exam for the research officer exam, and NRHM, NAM, National Ayush Mission exams, and also different lecturer post exams. This book will definitely help you. So this is the book most of you might be knowing, PSC Buster in Homeopathy, and it is written by none other than the author of Success, 3 volumes, very important book for homeopathy competitive exam, Dr. Nigul Kumar Bisoi. And Dr. Nigul Kumar Bisoi sir, he was very kind enough to send us one copy of this book, a very good book, so that we can review it, and it will help a lot of aspirants of PSC. And now the Madhyapradesh PSC and Uttarpradesh PSC are awaited. Those aspirants can make use of this book. We will be in this video explaining how to prepare using this book effectively for different levels of students. Like some students will be very above average and excellently prepared students, and some will be average students, and some will be below average students. So these 3 category students, how they can make use of this book maximum, we will be explaining in this video. So watch the video till the end, and this is the book PSC Buster in Homeopathy. The price of the book is 600 rupees, and if you see in Amazon and all, 480 rupees you will get this book. And in preface Dr. Nigul Kumar Bisoi have written like this book contains around 3000 MCQs, and it will help the students who are preparing for AIA PGT, UPSC and CCRH and NET exams. And also the book contains references from standard textbooks, and also the additional question papers like Gujarat PSC question papers, around 2000 questions, also contains research methodology subject, and the provisional answers given by the Gujarat PSC is added. Otherwise, all question papers, all PSC exam question papers, they have added the references from the authentic textbooks, and the list of books, the abbreviations and list of books is given. So you can see each and every subject, the authentic books are referred. For example, anatomy, B.D. Chaurasya, Indavir Singh, then Snell's clinical anatomy, then Gray's anatomy, and Vikram Singh anatomy. So most of the authentic books are referred. That is one example I said. All subjects they have referred the authentic books, and question papers like PSC Odisha 2014 paper, 16 paper and 19 recent paper also added. PSC Jammu Kashmir, Manipur, West Bengal and Kerala and Madhya Pradesh, then Bihar, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Tamilnadu and Uttarpradesh PSC question papers are with explanations are added, and Gujarat PSC 2019 different associate professor exams like Madhyapradesh, organon, pharmacy, anatomy, physiology, FMT are added, and one appendix part is there where important information from different subjects like organon, then practice of medicine, some science, then the forensic medicine, this anatomy, some of the science. It is a model actually. You can also make that kind of tabulations, so that is added in the appendix part. So the structure of the book is like, if a question paper from PSC Odisha is dealing, the first page will have around 8 to 10 questions. Then the answer key is already given in the down part, but you may keep it hiding. Then you can try to answer in a paper. Then later you can just check whether the answers given by you is correct or not. Later, after that 100 questions or 120 questions of that question paper itself, the explanation, the answers with explanation starts, where you can see each question's answer with the reference and page number. That also edition, book edition and page number. Then along with that, if at all needed some explanation, some grouping, for example, an eye symptom from a materia medica is asked in the question. So all the very important repeatedly asked eye symptoms of different drugs are explained in the answer key. So that is one important part, and how to use this explanation part or the question paper part effectively by the average, above average and excellent preparation students, we will just tell. So if you are a person who have attended the coaching programs, who knows different exam patterns, and you have appeared for the MD entrance or the state PSC exams previously, you are an excellent preparation, you have an excellent preparation, then you can use this book, the question paper section, to check your strength and weaknesses. So how far your preparation is good, and how much again you have to work on to become the top ranker. So take a A4 sheet or take a rough notebook and try to answer it. So 100 questions of one question paper, when you answer one day with a timer, keep a timer with you. So when you do that, you will later when you check the answer key, you will come to know out of 100 how much is your percentage, how much cut-off mark or how much mark you could get. You will get an idea. So then you analyze with the answer explanation. Then you will understand what mistakes you did, what kind of guesses were wrong, or where you had a confusion in reading the question. All these things you will understand. Then you are fine tuning, or you are improving your rank, you are working more on that. Then you have to analyze the question paper subject wise. So in anatomy, how many questions are there, how many questions I could answer, how many I couldn't answer. In medicine, in organon, in materia medica, how much I could answer. So this will help you so that you can improve in that areas where you are weak, and you can in the strong areas you can make it more better, so that 100% you can answer in that subject. So that is one way for the excellent preparation students. And for the average and below average people, if your preparation is not that great, you have a long gap after your passing out of BHMS or a degree or MD, and you are waiting for the exam without any coaching or without any idea of the pattern of exams, just go through the question papers like this, take a rough note, try to answer. Then you will get an idea how much like you have to improve now. Then you have to take the explanation part. Seriously, you go through the explanation part. Then a lot of important areas grouping will be there. For example, the openings of the diaphragm. Like that, different explanations will be there. So that areas you have to read once. Then you highlight whichever is volatile, like you will forget easily, you cannot remember easily, or it is hard to recollect in the exam hall. Just highlight that areas. Then come back again after 3 days or 4 days. Then revise it. So again and again you have to revise that explanation areas. Then you go to the authentic book. Then try to read the tables or the data from that authentic book also. Make a note. Try to revise again. Then later you come back to the question paper, keep a timer. Then you try to do it with the timer. How much questions you are able to answer in that particular time. Then you will come to know your strength and weakness. Then again you will have to work on it. So the time and effort the excellent preparation people doing with this book and the average and below average students will be doing is different. You will have to put 2 or 3 hours extra. So that is the way you can use this book to the maximum we feel. I think you can buy this book from Amazon, or the details of the publishers, their address and their website ID and WhatsApp number we will be giving in this video, so you can contact them to get this book. And all the best wishes for all aspirants of Madhyapradesh PSC and also Uttarpradesh PSC and all the other upcoming exams and AAPGT 2022, and once again best wishes.